Building a gaming PC for around $600. Is it possible in 2026? Yes, and here's the complete parts list with prices. First, the processor. We're using the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This 6-core, 12-thread CPU has built-in Vega graphics. That means you can play games without a separate graphics card. Price, $166. For the motherboard, the MSI B550M Pro-VDH Wi-Fi. It has built-in Wi-Fi, plenty of USB ports, and supports the Ryzen 5000 series out of the box. Price, $100. Next, memory. 16 GB of silicon-powered DDR4 running at 3200 MHz. 2 sticks for dual-channel performance. Price, $33. For storage, a 1 TB Kingston NV2 NVMe SSD. Fast boot times and room for several games. Price, $55. Powering everything is the MSI MAG A550BN, a 550-watt, 80-plus bronze power supply. Reliable and efficient. Price, $55. All going inside the Zalman T7 case. It has a mesh front panel for airflow and a tempered glass side panel to show off your build. Price, $55. Total cost for this build, $628, not including tax or shipping. With the integrated graphics, you can play games like Valorant, League of Legends, and CS2 at 1080p with decent frame rates. And later, you can add a dedicated GPU for even better performance. That's the $600 all-rounder gaming PC.